When your technology is down in the field, every second matters. With growing expectations from your customers and ever-changing technology demands, you need a field service partner you can trust like your own team. Shyft Global Services provides scalable technology solutions and support in the field across 99% of the US and Canada population, with extended coverage in regions around the world. Outsourcing your global field services means dynamic delivery models that fit your business. From in-and-out warranty maintenance to multi-site deployments with real-time logistics, we offer peace of mind where it matters most. Whether your technology is in data centers, hospitals, or storefronts, Shyft has you covered. From basic rack and stack services to large-scale rollouts, proper integration, installation, and implementation set the stage for whatever comes next. And when you require RMA management or break-fix services, our multi-vendor maintenance and support is available 24/7. Supporting your technology never ends. With remote monitoring through our NOC and SOC capabilities, as well as Level 1 and Level 2 support, our expert technicians keep a constant pulse on your technology. Whether you're opening a new site, moving locations, or launching a refresh, we support all your IT projects with temporary or long-term technical assistance. Our business was built to support yours. When speed and quality go hand in hand, you get repeatable, best-in-class global field services that shift your business forward.